This is an old Ivy Bridge laptop manufactured in 2013, so it's really old. I'm going to add 2 gigabytes of RAM. It already has 2, so it will have 4. It will run Windows 8.1 or even 10 really nicely. It also has a nice big SSD, upgraded recently. So tell me if the upgrade process is too complicated. I take out the battery. I take out one screw. Yes. Slide it open. Put in the RAM. Hey, I said put in the RAM. Yes. And slide it back in. Put in the screw. Hopefully. Yes. And the battery. And let's see if it burns down. I have to test it because I put in high voltage, well, so-called high voltage memory, because laptops usually use low voltage. So let's see if it recognizes it. In the BIOS. Yes. Yes. Total memory. Right there. 4 gigabytes right there. Superb. Mission accomplished.